Got him. Biggin. Woo! Biggin. Got a big in here. Some nasty conditions right now. Ooh, this guy's peeling. It is some nasty conditions, y'all. Biggin. Woo! It is wild out here. Y'all going that way? I'm gonna head over there too with y'all. It got gnarly fast. For real. Imagine the lake. As I moved the kayak, it became apparent it was struggling. Keep in mind the wind was coming from the north while the current is pushing from the south. This was 70 miles per hour winds. A lot of boats, specifically smaller boats, would have struggled from this as well, let alone a kayak. As I tried to follow my buddies, it simply didn't have enough power to battle the windstorm and current. At this point, I was in a tough spot and the kayak was lopsided to the left. I had to put more concentrated weight on the right so I won't fall in 46-degree water. Moments later, I decided it was not worth following my friends. I hid in a small channel and waited out. I'm gonna go off the cut. It's getting a little too dangerous for my liking. Because it got gnarly, they gotta tow me to the boat launch just because it got that bad. But hopefully I'll make it safe here. Thankfully, my buddy Rick noticed I was stuck and gave me a tow to safety. But thankfully, things calmed down and we kept fishing.
You know what's gonna happen, right?
Huh?
You're gonna take the rope off and it's gonna blow 70 miles an hour again.
Exactly. That was intense.
Yeah, dude.
It actually calmed down because there was some white caps.
Oh, dude, when we were all the way back in that corner,
Yeah.
there was like 3-footers.
Yeah, it was intense because at one point we were fishing. I was with Walter and his cousin, and we're just killing it.
Yeah, it's pretty calm over here.
Yeah, and
we're catching them here, so.
sweet, and like out of nowhere, boom, it was crazy.
Yeah, we was ripping there for a second.
Yeah, I got a little nervous. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, appreciate the tow, Rick.
Still got them.
I appreciate it.